or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader, and in today's video I am going to be living like Rory Gilmore. And if you don't know who Rory Gilmore is, she is the main character of this show known as Gilmore Girls, and she is like my ideal person, like I ought to become like her in season 1. Uske baad ka to let's not talk about that, but I love season 1 Rory. Like, she knows her shit, she studies and she knows her priorities, and like she's basically that girl. Like, I ought to become like her. She loves reading, she loves coffee, and she loves studying, and the way she romanticizes studying is so, like, that is what I want to do with my life. Like, I want to be like her, and she has such a positive relationship with her mother, which I do as well. So yeah, I really like her as a character, and like I imagine myself like her. So doing this challenge is very special for me, and it's going to be very exciting. I am super excited to do this. So without wasting any more time, let us begin with the video.
People like getting up early.
You lie.
No, they do it voluntarily.
Really?
Every day.
So today I woke up very early because of the challenge. You can see how tired I am from the look on my face. And 6:15 उठ गई थी मैं. After that मैंने अपनी यूनिफॉर्म बाहर निकाली क्योंकि मेरे को स्कूल जाना था. And I also made my bed. मतलब ये काम तो मेरा डेली का है, यूनिफॉर्म निकालना, बेड वगैरह बनाना. सो देयर इज नथिंग न्यू इन दैट. आफ्टर दैट आई टुक अ बाथ एंड आई चेंज्ड इनटू माय यूनिफॉर्म. आई वाज वेयरिंग माय फ्लॉलेस यूनिफॉर्म टुडे बिकॉज रोरी इज आल्सो ऑलवेज इन हर फ्लॉलेस यूनिफॉर्म. आफ्टर दैट आई मेड माय बेड. I packed my bag. I did not want to forget anything because Rory always stays organized. Anyways, so I'm gonna take this book to school because of the challenge. I'll try to read as much as I can because Rory Gilmore literally reads everywhere she possibly can. So we will try to do the same thing. Anyways, now I'm just going to school and I'm boarding my bus, and I find it really funny how Rory also travels by bus, like you can see it in this clip. So yes, I really like that. And after that my school was eventually over, so I was coming back, and in my bus I was free, so I decided to read over there as well. And like Rory literally reads everywhere she goes. So bus mein, as soon as I found some free time, I also decided to read, and this book is getting so interesting. I really like it, and I highly recommend all of you all to read this. Then I came home, and after that I had to change my uniform. So I decided to wear the one Rory Gilmore type fit that I could find, and it is this. Okay, so I'll put up a picture of her in this outfit over here. If you all have watched even like one season of Rory Gilmore, you would know that she is obsessed with her beige sweater, and I am so lucky to have a similar sweater. But guys, it was so hot, like I was dying. I don't think I can survive in this sweater for much longer. I really don't. It is so hot. And I was also wearing jeans. Like, this is the combo of a hot outfit, not hot in a good way. It's just इतनी गर्मी लग रही थी. I really don't think I can survive in it. Never mind guys, मुझसे नहीं होने वाला उस outfit में से. So I switched to this outfit. It is quite Rory Gilmore-ish. Like, this is a brown top which is giving fall, and then there are black cargo pants. Please कोई मत बोलना कि I have cheated, because I was actually not going to survive 40 degrees Celsius in a woolen sweater. That is just not meant for me. So I switched to this outfit. I don't think it's that bad. I think Rory would wear this. She would definitely wear this. So yes, I would not call this cheating. Let me know if you would. Anyways, let us move on with the day. After that, I was basically organizing my study table. I do this normally, but apparently Rory is also very organized with her things. So yes, this is a good thing to include in a Living Like Rory Gilmore video. I feel like my lifestyle is naturally like hers, kind of. So it may not feel that different to my regular viewers. But yeah guys, this is what she does. So I'm also cleaning my desk. It was very messy because like since the last week, and I think since the last 2 weeks, I was not very active. I was a little sick also, and I was just trying to recover from the hell of the exams that I gave. Yeah, results of that is also coming soon. But yeah, I had to recover from that and it was traumatic. So that is why I needed to be on a little break for that short period of time. But yes, now I'm back. And as you can see, now my desk is squeaky clean. Now, after this, we are going to do the most Rory Gilmore thing ever. We are going to drink coffee. So, as हमारे आसपास कोई coffee shop नहीं है run by Luke, we are going to make our own coffee. सो बेसिकली मैंने सबसे पहले फ्रिज में से दूध निकाला एंड उसको अपने ब्लेंडर में डाला बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दूध के बिना कॉफ़ी बनती नहीं है. एंड देखो मैंने कॉफ़ी का पाउडर डाला इसके अंदर नेस्कैफे से एंड आई पुट ऑन ड्रिंकिंग चॉकलेट एंड शुगर बिकॉज इसके बिना मेरे को कॉफ़ी अच्छी नहीं लगती. उसके बाद मेरी कॉफ़ी बन के तैयार हो गई थी एंड हियर आई हैव इट इन माई हैंड. इट लुक्स सो यम्मी एंड लेट मी टेल यू इट टेस्टेड रियली नाइस. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट and I can literally drink this every single day. It's yum. So I decided to do the second most Rory Gilmore thing ever. I decided to read my book while I drink coffee. And guys, I don't normally do this. Like I like to just finish my coffee first and then I like to do my other tasks. But yes, I had a lot of fun doing this. After that, I had to start studying. So I had to write on my to-do list. Because to-do list likhe bina it is very difficult for me to start studying. So yes, then I basically did that basic task and this is my to-do list. It is quite simple as I did not have that much to do today. So first of all, I started with homework because our Rory Gilmore over here loves to do her homework. Like she always has homework to do. So that is why I decided to do my homework first and basically I had to make notes and I decided to make them very neatly and I was literally using a scale. Like I do not work that hard on my school notes. They are like not that important to me, but as today I was doing a challenge, I decided to be extra I decided to make them extra pretty and be extra careful while doing them. And I tried to make my handwriting look extra neat and nice. So basically I was just trying to make my notes look better. And guys, a little study tip, I suggest that you either do your homework the first thing after school or the last thing before you go to sleep. First thing because it just it's easier to do it when you're in the momentum of the school work, and last thing because it is easier to do it when you're sleepy because homework usually doesn't require too much brain power. Like for me, I had already done this topic in school, so I just had to copy it down, but I was trying to write most of it myself ताकि मेरी practice हो जाए. And in school we are doing transportation and heart currently. So yes, I was just practicing to draw the scheme of double circulation and then I was practicing the other chambers and all of that. So yes, I completed my notes and here is how they looked. If anybody comments that they are not neat, I'll be extremely pissed because come on, I tried really hard to make them look neat and tidy. So yes, then I was done with that. Okay guys, now we're going to go out and I'm going to be going. I will go to my society library and over there we will be studying. I feel like it is very Rory Gilmore to go to a library and study and I do not normally do that. So that is pretty new. So let us prepare to go to the library and then we will study. Now let me show you all the supplies that I'll be taking. So first of all, I have this tote bag right here which I think is so cute. I got this one from my friend as a birthday gift. So I'll be taking this tote bag and in this tote bag I'll put my book which I'm currently reading because Rory Gilmore reads everywhere. So when we go outside then we'll also read and I'm going to be reading outside. I don't normally do that at all. So that is a very new thing. So we're going to be reading this book. forgot to show you all my supplies जिसमें लिखने वाले हो. So I have this basic blue pen, 2 रुपए का pen है, but it writes really nice. And I have this light blue highlighter in case I want to mark something. So let's keep our book and then my headphones. Now let me keep my notebook. Wait, it's not going under. Okay, got it. And my book and my supplies. So I'm gonna keep these. Wait, let me just put my pen in here so that it doesn't disappear in the bag, because that has happened multiple times. Yup, so now my bag is pretty full, as you can see, and I will zip it up because it has a zip. And boom, here we have it. We're all set to go to the library and study. So now we will go to the library. I am very very excited as I haven't gone there to study in a while. And मैं नीचे आ गई हूँ and I'm going to the library. Also guys, I'll show you like a mini aesthetic little no audio study montage. Please watch it because you'll really like it. Like I tried to get a lot of aesthetic shots. Okay guys, I'm in the library and अभी फ़िलहाल library में कोई नहीं है. So that is nice. I will study over here because this is a really cute place to study. So wait a second. Yeah, oh shit, I forgot to bring a water bottle. It's fine. Anyways, here we are. Let me show you all my society library as abhi koi bhi nahi hai. So I'm not going to feel that awkward filming. Yes, so here we have, like, this is basically the library. Their bookshelves which are always very very messy. We have a carom table and I just turned on the AC. So the room will get cold in a while. It's been half an hour and I have studied quite a lot in this half an hour. Like 1.5 page के notes बना लिए मैंने, which means I have done a bit. And अभी तक library में कोई भी नहीं आया है, which is very rare and बहुत शांति है, which I really love. मतलब मेरे को अपने headphones use करने की अभी तक need नहीं पड़ी because कोई भी नहीं है library में. Like I have it all to myself. I feel like today was the perfect day to do this because हमारी सोसाइटी की लाइब्रेरी में शांति होना इज़ वेरी वेरी रेयर. मतलब ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होता है. सो येस, ये दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी नाइस. After that, I started my second study session, which also lasted half an hour. After that, बच्चे आ गए थे and I couldn't focus, so I left. And these are the notes that I made. I tried to make them as cute as I possibly could without destroying the utility aspect. Then I went to find food for me because I was very hungry and I got this ice cream. मेरे को कोई रोरी गिलमोर टाइप फूड नहीं मिला, so this is the best thing I found for myself. And I opened it and it was very very yummy. I eat this very often and I really like it. And उसके बाद I tried to do the typical Rory thing, reading under a tree. So I was reading my book. यही book पढ़ रही थी मैं आज पूरा दिन. मैंने यही book पढ़ी है. So I sat and I was reading. I couldn't find a way to keep my phone कहीं पे to film. So please bear with that. Like I know the quality of this particular video is not that good. क्योंकि मतलब कोई पर्टिकुलर जगह नहीं मिली थी यहाँ पर फ़ोन रखने की. सो आई जस्ट केप्ट इट ऑन माई टोट बैग एंड यहाँ पे बैग का स्ट्रैप भी दिख रहा है. सो आई नो द क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट गुड बट प्लीज़ प्लीज़ बेयर विद मी. Well, anyways, guys, I was just reading, and I feel like that is all for this challenge. I had a lot of fun making it, and I know you guys have been waiting for this video for a while. I'm super sorry for the delay, but I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really motivates me to make और ज़्यादा content and to be more consistent. I mean, I'm going to be consistent regardless. At least I'll try my best to. But please subscribe if you can. It won't take that much, but it will help you out a lot. And like this video, and let me know what your favorite part was, and also tell me if I missed out some Rory Gilmore aspect or got any of it wrong, because I have only watched season 1 of Gilmore Girls, and that too I watched a while ago, so I'm not that familiar, but I tried my best to replicate her. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this one. Bye bye.